How long does an iPad usually last before needing to be replaced?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of Apple's famous tablet, the iPad, and answer a question that many users often ask. How long does an iPad usually last before needing to be replaced?
What is the average lifespan of an iPad?
The lifespan of an iPad can vary greatly depending on how the device is used, its storage capacity, and how well it's maintained. However, as a general rule of thumb, you can expect an iPad to last around 4 to 6 years before it might start to experience significant performance issues or become incompatible with newer applications and operating systems.
What factors affect an iPad's lifespan?
Several factors can influence how long an iPad lasts. Heavy usage, lack of regular software updates, and physical damage can significantly reduce an iPad's lifespan. On the other hand, taking good care of your iPad, updating it regularly, and using it moderately can extend its life.
How can I extend the lifespan of my iPad?
To get the most out of your iPad, there are a few key tips you can follow. First, always keep your iPad updated with the latest iOS version. This ensures that your device runs smoothly and remains secure. Second, avoid physical damage by using a protective case and screen protector. Lastly, manage your storage efficiently. Overloading your iPad with unnecessary apps and data can slow it down significantly.
When should I consider replacing my iPad?
Despite your best efforts to extend its lifespan, there will come a time when it's best to consider a replacement. Common signs that it might be time include frequent crashing, poor battery life, outdated software, and slow performance. Also, if your iPad no longer supports the latest iOS updates, it might be time to look into a newer model. So, there you have it. While the lifespan of an iPad can greatly vary, on average, you can expect to get a good 4 to 6 years out of it with proper care and maintenance. Remember, staying up to date with software updates, avoiding physical damage, and managing storage effectively can help prolong your device's life. Thank you for watching, and here's to many more years with your iPad.